Mate, what are you doing? Maganda or Mago, Kumusta everybody, this is Scott Expat in the Philippines. Let's lift this up a little bit. Yeah, I had my two teeth out yesterday. Doesn't even hurt anymore. What they do is they gum your numb with some stuff that
Go that way.
makes it really numb. Huh?
You missed.
I missed it again.
Yeah, you should.
They put some stuff that makes your gum numb, and then they put the needles in. Just a little needle. You don't feel it. And you just sit there waiting until it gets number and number and number until you can't feel your gum. And then she gets the big plier thingy and twists your tooth very gently until it breaks off at the bottom of breaks out. And Bob's your uncle. Both of them are gone. So, you know, at the moment it's just sore up the top, but that's expected with teeth going out, I suppose. CJ is going to Sunbury Primary up here. Maga, Kumusta, this is Scott Expat in the Philippines. Well, what I've done, guys, is I've replaced these screws. I've put a bolt this end and a bolt on the other side here. I've done these two. Am I going to leave them with the screw thingos up? Yeah, I think I will. I'm not going to bother about grinding it because it's not a toy, it's a work tool. So, and no, I don't run CJ around in it. But I've got to replace the bottom one. I've just pulled the nut off. Now I've just got to get the hammer and knock it out. I'm half thinking about doing the bottom one that holds the bucket onto the frame by getting some more screws with the hexagon thing on it. So I'll just show you what I'm going to do from the back so you can see. As you can see, I've had to put two more bolts, one here, tighten them, put some washers with a spring washer on it so it locks, holds this nice and firm. But I've just got to do the bottom, these ones here and that one. I've got washers for them. I'll replace them now. Yeah, so she went apeshit over, went sideways on me over here near the dirt, in between the Tuscan pebbles and the soil. She just went, as I went around the corner, she just went over on its side, so looks like I've got to go to Bunnings later. I have to go earlier and pick up some more bolts, so but I've put these ones on, the hexagon ones, and they are using the same hexagon tightener thing. For here, I'll fix that up. I just have to push that through. Using the screwdriver. go under the back. Yeah. It's not going to come out. I'm going to have to use something else. Give me a second, guys. I'll put this on its belly. I'll use the same bolt to puncture this nut out. That came out easier than I thought, which is good. I'll do the other side in a minute. I'm doing one side at a time. I'll just put the wheelbarrow back up again so I can get the bolt out and replace the other bolt. I've got to put that bolt in. This one in. Where did I put that other one? Got it. I brought longer bolts to fix and replace. They're going to go in that way. It wasn't easy getting the last one in, but because I've got to push down, bloody hell, keeps pushing forward. I've got to put this up forward. I can show you what I'm doing. No, it's not going to work. I did this in the voice last time. There goes. I've got to go and get another 2 of these, the longer ones, to go into this hole, because as you can see it goes straight through and into the bottom plate there. And while I'm at it fixing this, I'll have to put the washers in between the wheels. I forgot. Oopsie. So I've got to go to Bunnings now and go and get the longer bolt, 2 of them, for that bucket, the front of that bucket. That's the one that was on the wheelbarrow, and they're the ones that they're a little bit longer, but they'll do. they don't seem to have the size I need, so I'll have to go with the ones in the container. Well, I got the 2 bolts, 2 washers, plus 2 washers to go on the other, and the washers all sit flush at the top of the nuts, and that should be okay, ready to go. They cost me around about $7.50 in a pack, so that's not bad. They've got the long steel shaft and then the washy thingy where you screw it up, and that which is good. It'll go through the wheelbarrow and through the other half, so there won't be too much thread like there is on those two. Anyway, we'll get this done with any further ado. Sometimes these nuts bolts don't want to go in, and sometimes you have to make a rod to go on its side and push it. Looks like I'll have to bash it up a bit. Then the bolt wouldn't go all the way up. Seriously, and out. Excuse the swearing. Probably could have put it the other way. And I'll look it this way, hopefully this way. Go. Stubborn. I'll have to find another way. Hang on, guys. Got it in. Bloody stubborn son of a bitch it was. Excuse the language. That's just one. I'm using a ratchet this time because the shifters tend to fall off. We really need to get a bigger washer. That one ain't gonna do it, it's gonna slip through the hole as soon as I tighten it. I thought I brought washers big enough. No. Usually I have everything at hand. Damn one. And another. Two bigger washers. Hopefully this does the trick. Block nut washer on it. Oh, you learn by mistake. I learn by mistakes. Oh, that's right, I didn't have anything on that one. I did it for nothing. Oh my goulet. Probably need to get underneath and get another shifter. Ring spanner will do. Tilt it forward and make it a little bit easier to hammer. Just bolt it through a bit more. Doesn't make it any easier, let me say. I did put on the I got photos of the Sherlocks and a bit of video, what they're like and what they got. But as I said to the girl at the counter, I think you're going to have to tell everyone before they buy them to get different nuts put on them, because bloody hell. I will say one thing, guys, I am awkward doing things, especially when it comes to putting things on, or you know, that I'm trying to curb my patience, trying to get a bit more patience and a lot better at doing what I do. Where did I put that? Swap over, I think. Because I want to get this tight, so I'm not going to lose loads all the time. Bloody hell, I'm trying to get the right shifters, the right things together. Thought I had it. Excuse my tailwind. That's what I need, this sucker. Must have got the wrong ratchet. I did put it together, okay, but the screw is not the way to go on these things. Now that goes the same with the wheel. Oh, I had a look at theirs. Mine's got the round wheels, the round assembly for the wheel. These got a square galvanised frame. But I don't want to make it too tight because I don't want it to pop out. They got a lock type of top, like a Loctite nut, which, yeah, and that's why I'm repairing this, and I haven't done much work on there because as I said, when I went around earlier yesterday, or the day before yesterday, sorry, on Monday when I did it, she went sideways on me. And we can't have that, can we? Going sideways. No, we want to go straight. This side's giving me more trouble than the other side. I'm going to try and bloody hell, steady hand. Excuse me guys, this is going to take some swearing. Got it in with some gentle persuasion, but it's all intact. All good. It's going to be a bit more firmer, a lot more solider. Yep. And the legs are a lot more solider. Well done, Scotty. Second try, not bad. Better check the phone because I think I'm going to have to go in and have a shower. Get ready to go and pick up CJ. Yes. Good. No, well, got to wait until the gum seals up and then I'll see if I can get 2 false teeth plates made up for it, or 1 false teeth plate made up for it. But yeah, she's strong, a lot more stronger now than what she was before. I don't think it's going to tip over on me this time. I do have to do the wheel, but I've got to check and see what time it is. I'm going to have a shower quickly and go and pick up CJ. Bye for now guys, take care.